Hey, what's up guys? It's me Latin Nepali today to present you a video on how to make Hangman. So when I first approached making this game, I thought let's do some outsourcing and let's try to edit uh, myself, right? But I couldn't understand any of the codes written, so I came up with an idea of making my own Hangman game. And in my perspective, I think this is the most easiest code of Hangman game written in QBasic, and it is really understandable. Everyone can understand it. It's for everyone, even for beginners. Just a bit of a line, just a bit of graphic coding you have to understand. Otherwise, it's really the most easiest code. Yes, I hope you're excited. I'll see you in the next part. It's easy. Screen 12 is like you are specifying a screen code kind of thing. Now color 3 exclamation, all this kind of fancy things we do just for making it look attractive. And since one user is since one user is letting another user to guess, so we have to keep it secret, right? And I thought to keep it secret you obviously need you even if you clear the screen, the user will have a bit of hint, right? So what I did is I used color 0, and if you use color 0 then it becomes black and it camouflages, right? And this certain code is just for spaces, like if it is RAM it will be R space A space M. You can get it, it's easy. And yeah, these are 2 spaces by the way. And here what we're doing is like what I have done over here is like, suppose the word is RAM, it will, suppose the word is science, the only letters that will pop up is S and E, because those are the one is first and another is last. That's how it works. You can obviously approach it in a different way, but that's how I thought could be done. And we are counting the cases. These are the cases, which is going to be really important key figure. And yeah, code, graphic coding. And if you know coordinate geometry, it's much more better, because I know coordinate geometry and it is really applicable over here. Like, it is faster, you can just randomly understand the coordinates yourself without having to guess it, right? And now what we can do is we're gonna give user 6 tries, because that's how Hangman works, right? And yeah, this is kind of this is what I call in my language loop point. See what it this point is, this is everything. After this is gonna work only if max is not equals to 0 and the user hasn't guessed the correct word. So that's how it works, right? And how the user is gonna guess the correct word, right? So the first I thought, why not extract the word itself? But then I came up with a cheaper idea, which is really beautiful, by the way, I guess. See, if the cases, like the cases, where the cases, if yeah, if the cases become 0, like the number of cases is 0, then it obviously means that the user got the correct word, right? Yeah, that was my trick to it. That was my cheap trick, which worked. And that's yeah. And if it's C is 0, then it means the user has guessed the correct word. And this is just in case the user is trying to, like, if there is R space M, then if the user types R again, then is not incorrect, because that letter is still in the word. So yeah, that's how it works. And now if C is equals to 0 and max is not equals to 0, which means that the user has still some tries left, and C means the user has to guess the correct word, then you win. And this is a specific part which keeps on being checked every time the X loop point is accessed. And now if F is more than 0, if and there again you get to guess the letter. And yeah, this is again graphic coding after all. And yeah, that's it. I hope you understood the code. If you can understand the code, you can hit me over kartipragyan4@gmail.com, and I can solve your problems, right, anywhere you want. And now let's hit the program. Let's go. What happened? Oh, sorry. And what happened? Oh, sorry. Oh man, I'm sorry. Now the moment of truth, guys. Now I'm gonna input Malkani. I'm gonna guess wrong, right? See, it's working, right? It's working. You lost the game. The correct word equals to Malkani. And let's check the winning logic. Now let's check the winning logic, and we go ahead. So we're gonna input the word as breaking. R I. Okay, let's just for fun. E A K N. And it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay home, stay safe, and if you want any more thing from me, any more things, programming updates, please hit me up at my Gmail account. And yeah, bye bye.